Hi, in this video, I'm going to show you how you can annotate your Google Slides presentation. Annotating basically just drawing something on top of your slide to create a concept or to explain something while interacting with the slide at the same time. And it's very useful if you want to emphasize some content on your slide, or you want to circle some text, or you want to highlight certain areas. It's very useful tool. So if you want to get that, first you can run the slideshow normally. And then you have to hover your cursor to the bottom left corner and then open this menu. And then you can turn on the pen, or you might also use the keyboard shortcut Shift and L. And then you can start drawing anything with this new tool that's called pen. So let's say I want to circle this area. I can also just create an arrow. It's going to be a lot prettier if you have a pen or a stylus, but even the cursor is working just fine. And this is how you do it. And you can also access more tools right here. You can erase all. You can also change the color. You can disable this feature as well. And that's basically how you can annotate content or annotate your Google Slide presentation. And there you have it. I hope you find this video helpful.